Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to Mahdi English School. Myself Khushbu Darani and I am taking your English and grammar. I hope my dear students you all are fine at home and doing studies well. So, do you remember our chapter number 1? What is the name? Flying South. Yes. So, today we are going to revise chapter number 1, Flying South. If you forget, then you can remember it by this revision. And after the textual revision, we will do revision of fair book notes. Right? If you missed anything in your fair book, you can complete it. And by mistake, if you have written anything wrong, you can make it perfect by this lecture. Okay, so let's start. Chapter number 1, Flying South. Do you remember, my dear students, what I asked you before starting a lesson? That how can you help birds from the summer heat? How can you help birds from the summer heat? How can you help? Do you remember? I told you, you can build a shelter for them, you can build nest for them, you can put water on your terrace or on your roof. Like this, you can help birds from the summer heat. But if bird is in ice, in a snow, and if it is freezing out, how can you help? That we learn in this lesson. So, let me show you some pictures of the lesson. Look here. Now did you remember anything? Yes. A brother named Jim and a sister named Molly. They both saw a wild goose below the rock. You can see here the injured goose. Right? They both helped this goose, and not only that, both their parents also helped them to reunite this goose with his friends. Reunite means meet again with their friends. So, let me show you a next picture. Here you can see in this picture, they both come home with the goose, with the injured goose. See, father is describing about a goose. You can see here. Let's see how mother helped them. Mother gave some food to the goose, and like this they helped the goose, and after that they sent this goose in an aeroplane. Right? So my dear students, now do you remember what is the moral of the story? What I told you about this story? Yes. If you see any poor, any needy person, you should always help them. Right? Whenever you will help any needy person, any poor person, any injured bird or animal, then you don't need to worry about yourself. Why? Because whoever helps each other, whoever helps any needy or a poor person, Allah always helps them. Okay, my dear students? So, always keep this thing in your mind while helping to anyone. So, never feel hesitate by helping anyone. So, now, let's start with our fair book notes. So, take out your fair book And if anything is incomplete of chapter number 1, complete it by this revision by looking in this video, and if all the things is complete, then you can check it. Okay? So, before starting a lesson, what you have to do? Heading with a nice handwriting. Lesson number 1, flying south. Okay? Then, with a clean and neat handwriting, name of the topic. What is the topic? Hard words. Right? Now, let's start hard words. If you have written anything wrong, then this is the chance, my dear students, a golden chance to make your book fine and clear. Right? So, you can easily learn during the test or during the exams. Okay? Let's start. Number 1, injured. Number 1, injured. Number 2, reunite. Number 2, reunite. Number 3, freezing. Number 3, freezing. Number 4, Jim. Number 4, Jim. Number 5, Molly. Number 5, Molly. Number 6, excitedly. Number 6, excitedly. Number 7, white. Number 7, white. Number 8, goose. Number 8, goose. Number 9, ensure. Number 9, ensure. Number 10, aeroplane. Number 10, aeroplane. Number 11, letter. Number 11, letter. Number 12, ranger. Number 12, ranger. Number 13, children. Number 13, children. Number 14, separated. Number 14, separated. Number 15, probably. Number 15, probably. Number 16, winter. Number 16, winter. Number 17, crate. Number 17, crate. Number 18, costly. Number 18, costly. Number 19, transporting. Number 19, transporting. Number 20, airline. Number 20, airline. And number 21, flock. So my dear students, how many hard words are there? Total 21 hard words. How many hard words? 21. So I hope you all checked that hard words properly. Right. Now let's see what is the next. Next is meanings. So all the topics, as I am telling you all the time, start from a new page. So I hope you have started this topic from a new page. Right. Meanings. Number 1, separated. What is the answer? Be apart. Separated. What is the answer? Be apart. Number 2, reunite. Together. Reunite. Together. Number 3, injured. What is the answer? Hurt. Injured. What is the answer? Hurt. Number 4, goose. Number 4, goose. What is the answer? A bird. Goose. What is the answer? A bird. Number 5, ensure. Number 5, ensure. What is the answer? Make sure. What is the answer? Make sure. So, how many meanings are there, my dear students? Total 5 meanings. How many? 5. So, I hope you all have written it properly in your fair book. Okay, let's see our next topic. Our next topic is give one word. What is the next topic? Give one word. Right? Let's start. Number 1. A large wooden box for transporting the goose. What is the answer? Crate. Let's read it again. A large wooden box for transporting the goose. What is the answer? Crate. Question number 2 is a keeper of forest. A keeper of forest. What is the answer? Ranger. What is the answer? Ranger. Question number 3. A group of birds. A group of birds. What is the answer? Flock. What is the answer? Flock. So, how many give one words are here? Total 3 give one word. So, I hope you all have written this give one words properly in your fair book. So, after completing the give one word, what is the next topic? The next topic is fill in the blanks. What is the next topic? Fill in the blanks. Let's start. Number 1. 2 children spot an injured goose. 2 children spot an injured goose. What is the answer? Injured. What is the answer? Injured. Question number 2 is the children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. The children and their mother help the goose to reunite with his friends. So, what is the answer? Reunite. What is the answer? Reunite. Question number 3. Jim saw something white on the ice. Jim saw something white on the ice. So, what is the answer? White. What is the answer? White. Question number 4. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. Question number 4. Jim and Molly wrote a letter. So, what is the answer? Letter. What is the answer? Letter. Question number 5. The other geese in the flock will take him in. The other geese in the flock will take him in. So, what is the answer? Flock. What is the answer? Flock. So, how many fill in the blanks are here? 5. How many blanks? 5. So, I hope you all have written 5 fill in the blanks properly in your fair book. Our next topic is complete the following. Our next topic is complete the following, means CF. Number 1. He was probably flying south for the winter with the other geese. He was probably flying south for the winter with the other geese. So, what is the answer? The answer is south for the winter with the other geese. What is the answer? South for the winter with the other geese. Question number 2. Molly and Jim put water and some corn for the goose. Molly and Jim put water and some corn for the goose. So what is the answer, students? Answer is water and some corn for the goose. What is the answer? The answer is water and some corn for the goose. Let's see question number 3. The airline wants to fly your goose south for free. The airline wants to fly your goose south for free. So what is the answer? The answer is to fly your goose south for free. What is the answer? To fly your goose south for free. Then question number 4. Since you saved the wild goose, the airline wants you to have this box for free too. Since you saved the wild goose, the airline wants you to have this box for free too. So what is the answer? The answer is the airline wants you to have this box for free too. The airline wants you to have this box for free too. Question number 5. The ranger put a band around the leg of the goose. The ranger put a band around the leg of the goose. So what is the answer? The answer is band around the leg of the goose. What is the answer? Band around the leg of the goose. Right. So, how many CF are there? How many complete the following? 5. How many? 5. So, I hope you have written these 5 complete the following properly in your fair book. Now, here we have completed the revision of all objectives in the fair book. Now, let's move to the question answers. So, our first question answers topic is answer in brief. What is the topic? Answer in brief means long question answers. So, let's start. Question 1. What did father say when he saw an injured goose? What is the question? Question 1 is, what did father say when he saw an injured goose? Let's read the answer. Answer number 1 is, father said that the goose is a snow goose that was probably flying south for the winter with other geese. Now, did you check your answer? If yet not, then check it. I am reading it again for you. Okay, let's start. Answer 1. Father said that the goose is a snow goose that was probably flying south for the winter with other geese. Understood, my dear students? I hope you have made corrections if you need. Right, let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is, why did mother suggest to Molly to write to an airline? What is the question number 2? Question number 2 is, why did mother suggest to Molly to write to an airline? What is the answer? Let's see. Answer number 2 is, mother suggested to Molly that she should write to an airline because the airline might agree to fly the injured goose south for winter in a crate. Now do you remember what is a crate? Crate means a wooden box for transporting birds or animals. Crate means a wooden box for transporting the birds and animals. Right. So let's read this answer again so you can make corrections in your fair book if you need it. Right. Let's read. Answer 2. Mother suggested to Molly that she should write to an airline because the airline might agree to fly the injured goose south for winter in a crate. Understood, my dear students? So how many long answers are there? How many answers in brief? 2. How many? 2. So I hope you have written it properly in your fair book. Okay. Now let's see our next topic, answer in short. What is the next topic? Answer in short. What is the first question? Question 1 is, what did Jim want to do with the goose once his wing healed? What is the question? Question 1. What did Jim want to do with the goose once his wing healed? Now let's see the answer. Answer 1. Jim wanted to let the goose fly south when his wing healed. What is the answer? Answer 1 is Jim wanted to let the goose fly south when his wing healed. Okay. Let's see question number 2. Question number 2. What did Molly want to do with the goose? What is the question? Question number 2. What did Molly want to do with the goose? Answer number 2 is Molly wanted to keep the goose with them forever. What is the answer number 2? Answer number 2 is Molly wanted to keep the goose with them forever. Right. Now let's see next question. Question number 3. What is the question number 3? What is the main topic of the lesson flying south? What is the question 3? Question 3 is, what is the main topic of the lesson flying south? Answer number 3 is, to save an injured bird or animal is the main topic of the lesson flying south. What is the answer number 3? Answer number 3 is, to save an injured bird or animal is the main topic of the lesson flying south. Question number 4. Which kind of goose is mentioned in the lesson flying south? What is the question number 4? Question number 4 is, which kind of goose is mentioned in the lesson flying south? Answer number 4 is, North American type of goose is mentioned in the lesson flying south. What is the answer? Answer number 4 is, North American type of goose is mentioned in the lesson Flying South. Okay. What is the next question? Let's see. Question number 5 is, why did mother suggest to Molly to write to an airline? What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is, why did mother suggest to Molly to write to an airline? What is the answer? Answer number 5 is, because the airline might agree to fly injured goose south for winter. What is the answer number 5? Answer number 5, because the airline might agree to fly injured goose south for winter. Okay, my dear students. So I hope now you all understood answer in short. Total, how many answer in short are there? Total 5. How many? 5. So I hope you have written properly in your fair book. 5 answer in short. Okay. Now let's see our last topic, and that is make sentence. What is our last topic? Make sentence. Let's see that. What is the name of the topic? The name of the topic is make sentence. What is the name of the topic? Make sentence. Number 1, excitedly. Number 1, excitedly. So, what is the answer? Let's see. Jim and Molly went out excitedly. What is the answer? Jim and Molly went out excitedly. Now let's move to the number 2. Number 2 is comfortable. What is the question number 2? Question number 2 is comfortable. What is the answer? The answer is, the goose was comfortable in the crate. What is the answer? The goose was comfortable in the crate. Question number 3, airport. Question number 3, airport. So what is the answer? Our house is too far away from the airport. Our house is too far from the airport. So, how many make sentences are there? Total 3. How many? 3. So, I hope you all have written these 3 make sentences in your fair book properly. So, my dear students, today we revised fair book content of lesson number 1. In lesson number 1, what we have revised? First, hard words, then fill in the blanks, complete the following, then give one word, answer in brief, answer in short, and make sentences. So, till the next lecture, take care of yourself. Never feel hesitate to help any needy person or bird, animal. And if you are having any doubt regarding this lecture, regarding this lesson, you can message me on my WhatsApp. Okay, my dear students, bye-bye.